What's up, YouTube? I got here new box mega of 2020 2021 Illusions. This was still available on not YouTube, what am I talking about? On Target website. So, if you're having trouble buying any retail products, they're becoming more available now on YouTube. So that's good to see. Obviously, it's still harder to get Optic or Prism or Select or anything like that, but it's still good to open. So yeah, Illusions isn't the greatest product, but you could hit an auto. So there's that. It's a 20 card or 250 base set, 200 cards, and then 50 rookies. 50 card rookie set. Griffin. All right, Compazzo. I don't even have my sleeves up. Carl Anthony. And then this is Reggie Perry and Sadiq Bey. It's hard to see, but the Compazzo, you can definitely tell it's not too familiar, so I'm not sure what version it is, but I'll probably check out after the video. But you can see it's definitely darker than the other ones. I could barely even see it, without the light. I think you guys can see it better. But yeah, I mean that's pretty good. Gives you. It gave me 3 rookies per pack, so it was half the pack. Considering there's only 50 lights out. Fred VanVleet. Unfortunately, this is damaged corner, I think. Oh no, it's not. It's just looks that way. Damian Lillard. And then Aaron Naismith. These are. Just want to make sure I don't miss anything. Yeah, the only other time I opened Illusions is I just opened one pack, and that's where I pulled that monster Steph Curry auto. I have it up there if you guys want to go check out the videos. Joe Ingles. Saban Lee rookie. And Moses Brown rookie. Yeah. Well, I bought a single pack, but I believe it might have been hobby pack. So I had never opened Career Lineage. This is Carmelo Anthony. I'd never opened Illusions, so I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. And then I opened it, and it happened to be pretty good. So rookie, Jae'Sean Tate. These boxes are a little more. They're from the Target website. I think they were like 44. Ben Wallace. This is a cool card. It's an acetate type. Living Legends. It's cool. It'd be a nice set to collect. Lamar Stevens rookie. And James Wiseman rookie. Yeah, so these were 44, I believe, for the Mega. Xavier Tillman. CJ McCollum, Jokic. And then I couldn't even see, but it's Nathan Knight. The good thing is there's a lot of packs in here, you know, so it wasn't like the last box that I opened of Flux. It was kind of over quick. Rookie Reflections. So it looks like it's Kawhi and then Patrick Williams. Mason Jones rookie. Josh Green rookie. Got 3 more packs. Clear shots. Zach LaVine. These are nice too. I might collect these sets. Gary Trent, Murray, and then rookie Robert Wooder. You know, maybe I'll give Javi a shot of Illusions, you know? See if maybe I can pull another monster auto. Zion. No, it's regular. It looked a little different. Kira Lewis, rookie. And CJ Ellaby, rookie. Last pack. All right. Luka on the, I'm not sure, but it's that darker one. I'll have to look it up. And then our rookie is Isaiah Stewart. Cool. So I'll show you the hits. Wait, that's a rookie. Clear shots. Rookie Reflections. So Living Legends. Career Lineage. This is, you know, once again. And then season highlights. We got a good amount of rookies. Not many big names, but you know, it's still good. Help with the collection. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I might, like I said, I might open up the hobby, see how that one looks. All right, guys, thanks.